But who nominated Jay? Can we see the paper? What I'm saying is, she doesn't have a constitutional mandate to have a position. How many years does she have in the party? How many years does she have in the party? What I'm saying, how many years does she have in the party? What does the constitution say? From the national leader is what block voting. No, leader witness, I open the constitution for you. Let me open the constitution for you.
Who's Linda?
We are fighting for constitutionalism here.
We have a constitution.
My argument is Linda is not even an MDC member.
Okay.
She's Tajamuga, that lady. She's not an MDC member.
Wow, all right. Okay.
It looks like they want attention. Let them get all the attention.
Yeah, we can get it.
We can get it because we have a constitution.
We're going to tell our province to
yes.